We begin by sketching the prince with a royal cape, a crown, and a dignified stance, showing a bit of personality in his posture. His cape is a deep red, and his outfit is a blend of light blue and white, with golden accents for his crown and belt. The prince is completed with big, cheerful eyes, and he looks ready to step into action with a confident smile. We begin by sketching a fluffy, round sheep with big, friendly eyes. Now, let's color the sheep's wool in soft pink and give it brown hooves and a cute face. There we go! The sheep is happily hopping around, bouncing on the green grass. We begin by drawing the princess with a large gown and a tiny crown. Her face is round with big eyes, adding to her charm. The princess's gown is a soft pink, and her crown is colored in gold with a touch of yellow on her hair. The princess stands elegantly ready to dance, with a smile that brightens her face and brings her to life.